Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Up. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to disable auto download media in Telegram. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the Telegram app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, go ahead, launch the app, then sign in. Now on the screen on the bottom right corner, you're gonna find settings option. Tap on it. Now from there, navigate your way to data and storage. Tap on it. Now there you'll see a category named automatic media download. Go ahead and select using cellular and turn off auto download media. Go back. Select using Wi-Fi and turn off auto download media there as well. And guys, that's it. That's how you disable auto download media in Telegram. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.